Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Mana Concept Lab Pro. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to share some very important information for all the EAMCET students over here, and make sure you watch this video till the end, and if you find this video helpful, please do subscribe to my channel for more useful updates and guidance. Now let's get started. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to explain the complete EAMCET counseling process in a simple and clear way. Along with that, I will also share the expected counseling dates for phase 1, 2 and final phase based on the previous year timelines. Many students are confused about registration, required documents and many more for reporting process. So in this video, I will cover all these important details step by step to help you understand the procedure easily. So make sure you watch this video till the end because missing even a small update during counseling can create problems later. Guys, one more thing is the Telangana Council of Higher Education is expected to release the official counseling schedule very soon. And according to previous year timelines, the counseling process for MPC students is expected to begin in June 2026. The counseling schedule will include important details like registration dates, certificate verification, web option entry, seat allotment results, and reporting dates. Also, the counseling process will be conducted in three phases, and each phase will have a separate schedule. So, students, I strongly suggest you keep all your required documents ready before the counseling starts. If you wait until the last minute, it may create unnecessary stress and problems during the process. So, it's always better to be prepared early. And I have also checked the official counseling website, and all the latest updates will be released there soon. And don't worry, I will also keep updating you with every important counseling updates, dates and guidance through my upcoming videos. So stay connected with my channel and don't miss the next videos. Coming to the counseling process in step by step, the first step is registration. Students, you need to visit the official counseling website and complete the online registration process using your hall ticket number, rank details, date of birth, and a valid mobile number. During this process, you also need to pay the counseling processing fee and book a slot for certificate verification. After registration, here comes the certificate verification. Students, you must attend the verification process at the allotted center on the selected date and time. Make sure to carry all original documents such as rank card, hall ticket, memo, and other required documents. Once the verification is completed, the next step is web options entry. In this step, you need to log in to the counseling portal and select your preferred colleges and branches based on your interest and rank. And you can arrange the options in priority order and also modify or change them until the option entry deadline closes. After the web options are frozen, the seat allotment process takes place. Seats are allocated based on your rank, category, reservation, and selected college preferences. Once the allotment result is released, you need to download the allotment order, pay the tuition fee if required, and complete self-reporting through the website. Finally, you must report to the allotted college within the given deadline to confirm your admission. So this is the complete counseling process from registration to college reporting. If you follow each step carefully and keep all your documents ready in advance, the process becomes much easier and smoother. Now coming to the required documents for the verification process. Guys, I have already uploaded a separate detailed video explaining all the documents required for EAMCET counseling certificate verification. So in that video, I clearly explained each document that you need to carry, why it is important. So arrange them properly before attending the verification process. So if you have any confusion regarding the required certificates, or if you want a complete idea on what documents to take for verification process, make sure to watch that video once. It will definitely help you. Before we move further into the video, here's a small reminder for you. If you are finding this video useful, then please hit that subscribe button right now and stay connected with the channel, and let's complete this counseling journey together. Now let's continue with the video. So guys, until now I explained the complete counseling process step by step. But here on this slide, I have given everything in a clear point-wise format so that you can easily understand the process one after the another without any confusion. Now coming to the counseling dates, based on the analysis of the past 2 years MPC counseling timelines, the counseling process usually starts in the last week of June. So, according to the expected schedule for EAMCET 2026, Phase 1 counseling is expected to begin in June and continue into early July, and phase 2 counseling is expected to be conducted in July, and the final phase counseling is expected to take place in August 2026. One important thing you should remember is that the counseling process remains almost the same in every phase. That is exactly why I explained the process clearly in points, so you can easily follow the same steps during every round of counseling. And please remember this important point. You must exercise your web options freshly in every phase. Previous phase options will not be considered automatically. Also, spot admissions are expected in August 2026 after the final phase counseling. So this slide gives you a complete overall idea about expected counseling timeline and process. Make sure you understand it clearly because these small details are very important during admissions. So guys, I really want to tell all of you that don't panic or stress too much about the counseling process. In the previous academic year, nearly 95% of eligible students who participated in counseling were successfully allotted seats in engineering and also in pharmacy colleges across Telangana. That's actually a very positive sign for students, and it clearly shows that the web options system is working and that there are plenty of opportunities and seats available for eligible candidates. So please don't think too much or lose confidence if your rank is not exactly what you expected. And many students get good colleges through proper web options, correct planning, and participation in all counseling phases. The most important thing is attend every counseling phase, keep your documents ready, fill web options carefully, and stay updated with official announcements. If you follow this process properly, there's a very good chance that you will secure a seat. So stay positive, stay confident, and don't worry too much. Everything will slowly fall into place. And finally, all the very best to each and every one of you for your counseling and admission journey. I hope you get a good college and branch according to your dreams and hard work. And if you found this video helpful, please support the channel by liking the video, subscribing to my channel, and sharing this video with your friends who are also attending counseling. It might help them too. And stay connected for more valuable information. Take care, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.